Hi and welcome to Skinmart. My name is Susan and today I'll be talking to you about Dermalogica's Prisma Protect SPF 15. If you are looking for a lightweight moisturiser that defends against skin damage, UVA, UVB, free radicals, pollution, hydration, and wanting that natural glow to your skin, then Prisma Protect is for you. Now, Prisma Protect has three benefits that work with the skin's daytime defense mode. It defends, hydrates, and boosts. It defends against UVA and UVB rays, free radical damage, and pollution through its powerful antioxidant ingredients. It blocks out an amazing 85% of pollutants, which might otherwise cause symptoms like dehydration, sensitivity, and pigmentation. Secondly, it hydrates the skin through advanced moisture magnets derived from plants, and this ingredient binds water to the skin like a magnet to provide all-day hydration for visibly smooth skin. And lastly, it boosts your skin's natural luminosity by light-activated drone technology. This targets specific cells in the skin which activate your natural luminosity and glow. Now, Prisma Protect is really easy to use. After you have cleansed and toned your skin, you would apply a generous amount to your face and neck. Now, it feels really silky and light and absorbs really quickly, giving you a lovely sheer coverage, making it suitable for all skin concerns. A great nighttime partner to Prisma Protect is your Sound Sleep Cocoon. This revitalizing treatment gel cream optimizes nighttime skin recovery with active ingredients that take advantage of the body's overnight recovery and repair process to transform skin by the morning, along with motion-activated essential oils to promote deep, restful sleep. If you would like to purchase the Prisma Protect, please go to our website at skinmart.com.au or click on the link below. Until next time, have a great day.